Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Taxfyle app in your device. Taxfyle app is an app that helps you prepare your tax return. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Taxfyle. There you can see Taxfyle app, tap on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and get your taxes done. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.